Get him. Get him. Shoot him, William. Get him again.
Oh, I only had 2 shells in.
Get him, Chief. Get him. Watch this. He's going to get him. It was. Let's get back in the truck and go up there and get him. Get him, Chief. Get him. He flopped in here pretty hard, like he died and went in. He's right in here somewhere.
I'm gonna look a little farther up.
Yeah, okay.
Right here.
Grab him. Here, Chiefy, let's go.
Yeah, I thought you said we couldn't hunt on this when you meant like main thoroughfare.
Oh, you can hunt in the ditches. There's a car coming, Emma.
Should I put this down?
Nope, just hold it. Hold it by the feet.
Good boy, Chief.
See, the problem with driving over here is you can't see anybody over these rises.
Yeah.
So you just gotta wait. Keep him down there, William.
Hey, Chief.
It looked like he died when he went down.
He like face planted inside of the hill. He was like spread eagle.
Yeah.